After facing frustrating system halts with Vanguard myself and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I finally uncovered multiple effective ways to resolve these issues, and I'm excited to share them with you right now. Many players are looking to fix Vanguard Ryzen Ftpm BIOS crash error 2026, which often stops games unexpectedly. Our first approach involves updating your computer's BIOS. Think of your BIOS as the very first set of instructions your computer reads. An old or buggy version can cause conflicts, especially with new software like Vanguard, making an update crucial for core system stability. Next, we look at disabling FTPM, which is a security feature. Sometimes, this feature clashes with Vanguard's own security, leading to crashes. Turning it off can remove this conflict, allowing your games to run smoothly. Another common cause is corrupted game files, so a fresh reinstall of Vanguard and Valorant ensures you have clean, working copies of all necessary files, eliminating errors from damaged data. Finally, keeping your Windows operating system and all device drivers up to date is super important. Older drivers or system files might not understand newer software perfectly, causing crashes. Regular updates ensure everything speaks the same language, making your system more reliable overall.